Welcome to ezTalks. This video will show you how to use different features on the ezTalks desktop app. Firstly, launch the ezTalks app, and then start a meeting. Click on the microphone or camera icon to turn on or turn off them. The icon in blue means the device is turned on. You can check and select built-in or external microphone, speaker, and camera. Click on the invite icon. You can invite the participants by contacts list, or invite by email, including your default email, Gmail, or invite by our system. You can also copy the meeting link or meeting information, and then share them in any way you like. Click on the participants icon. You can manage the room including mute all, lock meeting and enable annotation. You can also manage the participants including make presenter, mute or unmute, and remove them. Click on the share icon. You have two options, share desktop or share whiteboard. Click on share desktop and select share the computer sound, so that your participants can hear the sound when you share a video. You can share any files on your computer, such as documents, images, and videos. If you want to stop sharing, click on the red button on the top of the screen. You can also share a whiteboard by click Share Whiteboard button. And save the whiteboard on the local computer. Click on the red button to stop sharing whiteboard. Click on the chat icon. You can choose to send message to everyone or someone. Click the record button and there will be a recording symbol showing on the screen. If you stop recording, the recorded files will be automatically saved to your local computer. You can click the folder to find the recorded files. Click on the device icon. You can select Onion as the device for the meeting if you have Onion device. Click on the polling icon and click Launch a Poll button. There are two types of questions for polling, single choice and multiple choice. Click on the More icon. You can find the More options including meeting info, settings, live support, and help. Thanks for watching.